National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for eastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, extreme northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northern Grady County in central Oklahoma, extreme northern McLean County in central Oklahoma, eastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado 9 miles north of Anadarko. Doppler radar show this tornado moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Miko, Mustang, Union City, downtown Oklahoma City, Tuttle, and Will Rogers World Airport. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you cannot get underground, go to a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building now. Stay away from doors and windows. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Canadian, northeastern Cleveland and western Oklahoma counties. At 6:57 p.m., a confirmed strong tornado was located near Mustang and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Oklahoma City and the surrounding metropolitan areas. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail up to softball size is expected. Once again, at 6:57 p.m. a confirmed strong tornado was located near Mustang and is moving northeast at 55 miles. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KFOR. We will continue to serve the Oklahoma City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations serving your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Oklahoma City area. Do not use your telephones. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of North American Aerospace Defense Command. A series of nuclear missiles have been launched from Asia and are heading towards the United States. The missiles will likely break apart before impact, so the affected locations cannot be determined at this time. All residents of the United States are encouraged to seek out a fallout shelter now. If no shelter is available, get underground or to the lowest level of a building. Place as many walls and dense objects between you and the outside as possible. Have a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter, and only come out if instructed to do so by local authorities. This is not a test. Seek out a fallout. The following message is transmitted at the request of Oklahoma Emergency Management. Residents of Oklahoma City and surrounding communities are strongly encouraged to not leave their current shelter to seek out a fallout shelter. A large, extremely dangerous tornado is expected to hit the area in the next few minutes. Continue to stay in your current locations and take appropriate tornado actions. Seek shelter in an interior hallway or basement. Get away from windows and cover your head with your hands. Once the tornado threat has passed, you can seek out better shelters if your current one has been compromised. Otherwise, begin placing as many large, dense objects and walls as you can before nuclear impact occurs.